Alright, come on, Joe. You need some light. Come on, Joe. Where you going? Where you going? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, no. Where you going? Where are you going? Hey, little stink pod. Oh, boy. You're mobile now. What are we going to do? You know what, though? You can't get over the bump. And then in stark contrast, we have this one over here. Hi, Juliana. Hi.
Hi.
Good morning, honey. Good morning, my baby. I love you. Okay. Daddy might need his hand sometime soon. I love you, though, honey.